A home is more than walls, furniture, and windows. It's the backdrop of our lives, the space where everyday moments gather and memories are made. The way we choose to decorate reflects not just our style, but our story. From color choices that set the mood, to textures that invite comfort, to small details that reveal personality, home decor is an ongoing journey. It evolves with the seasons of life, shifting to reflect growth, new tastes, and fresh inspiration. Today, we'll explore some timeless yet flexible home decor ideas that can transform any space into something that feels uniquely yours. Color is often the first element we notice when we walk into a room, and it's one of the most powerful tools in home decor. Soft neutrals create calm, earthy tones connect us to nature, and bold hues spark energy and vibrancy. A home can carry one dominant palette or shift room by room to create distinct moods. Even subtle accents, like pillows, throws, or wall art, can change how a space feels. Beyond paint, color comes alive in fabrics, natural materials, and the play of light throughout the day. Colors also influence how we experience space itself. Lighter shades can make small rooms appear larger, while darker tones can add intimacy and depth. Seasonal changes in decor are often expressed through color as well, with warmer palettes in autumn or bright pastels in spring. The emotional resonance of color cannot be overlooked since it affects both mood and perception. For instance, blue can calm, yellow can uplift, and green can ground us in balance. When you experiment with color thoughtfully, it becomes more than just decoration, it becomes atmosphere. What's most exciting about color is that it's endlessly adaptable. A simple change in curtains or wall paint can refresh a tired room completely. Accent colors can be rotated in and out depending on the mood you want to create, or even the time of year. And in open spaces, color can help define zones. A darker tone for the dining area, a softer one for lounging. Color gives homeowners freedom to experiment without drastic changes. It's the bridge between emotion and design, and it remains the most flexible tool in home decor. Like and share if these home decor ideas sparked inspiration. While color sets the tone, texture creates depth. The mix of smooth and rough, shiny and matte, soft and sturdy adds richness to any environment. Think of the contrast between a sleek glass table and a woven rug, or a plush sofa paired with raw wood shelves. Natural materials like stone, wood, and linen bring a timeless quality, while metals and polished surfaces add a modern edge. When thoughtfully layered, these materials make a room feel both visually interesting and physically inviting. Texture turns a flat space into one that feels alive, where every surface tells a subtle story. Texture also has a way of engaging the senses beyond sight. A velvet chair invites touch, a rustic wooden beam suggests strength, and a silk curtain adds quiet luxury. Layering different materials in one space prevents monotony and creates a rhythm that feels natural. The choice of materials also reflects values. Some might prefer eco-friendly woods or recycled textiles, while others lean toward durable metals and easy-care synthetics. Each decision contributes to the character of a room. Over time, the interplay of these textures can make even the simplest spaces feel refined, balanced, and deeply comfortable. Another beauty of texture is how it can soften or sharpen a room's overall atmosphere. A space that feels cold and sterile can be warmed instantly with soft textiles, like wool throws or cushioned seating. Conversely, a room that feels overly casual can gain structure and polish with sleek finishes and smooth surfaces. Texture creates balance by adding contrasts, giving the eye places to rest and points of intrigue. It elevates decor by turning design into an experience, something you not only see but feel in the environment around you. Comment below with your favorite style or tip. Great home decor doesn't only look good, it works well too. A beautifully styled room loses its charm if it isn't practical for everyday living. That's why balance is key. A coffee table should be both a visual centerpiece and a useful surface. Shelving should display personality while offering storage. Lighting should flatter the room while also meeting functional needs. This balance between beauty and function ensures that your home isn't just impressive, but comfortable. It becomes a place you want to linger, where every choice has purpose as well as appeal. When function is ignored, decor becomes fragile, existing only to be admired. But when function and design merge, life flows effortlessly within a space. A well-placed lamp helps you read comfortably while also casting a warm glow that highlights decor. A sofa should be stylish yet supportive, a dining table elegant yet strong enough for daily use. The key is to see each item as part of a lifestyle, not just a picture. In this way, a home becomes not only beautiful to visitors, but truly livable for those who spend their days within it. This balance is also what makes a space sustainable in the long term. Pieces chosen with both form and function in mind tend to last longer, avoiding the need for constant replacements. They grow with you, adapting to changes in your lifestyle. Functionality ensures comfort, while aesthetics ensure joy. When the two are harmonized, the result is a home that not only works seamlessly, but feels inspiring day after day. It's the art of blending everyday practicality with timeless beauty. The final layer of decor is the one that makes a house feel like a home: personal touches. These are the elements that tell your story: a family heirloom, travel souvenirs, handmade art, or even books that line the shelves. They give authenticity to your space, making it distinctly yours rather than a showroom copy. Personal touches evolve naturally over time, building a tapestry of meaning in your decor. They can be bold statements or quiet details, but together they give warmth and soul, reminding anyone who visits, and yourself, what the space represents. A room with personal character feels more welcoming because it carries layers of history and sentiment. A framed photograph on a side table may spark conversation, while a quirky collection displayed on a shelf reveals passions and interests. These choices don't have to follow design rules, they follow the rhythm of your life. Over time, the accumulation of these meaningful items creates a home that feels lived in, loved, and uniquely personal. The balance of curated style with heartfelt detail ensures that your space doesn't just look appealing, but resonates on a deeper, emotional level. Personal elements also bring a sense of continuity and identity. They connect your space with your experiences, allowing your home to reflect your journey. Guests may admire the decor, but what they truly remember are the stories behind the details. These touches don't require grand gestures. Even something as small as a handmade vase or a childhood keepsake can carry powerful meaning. Personal touches are the finishing note of home decor, the quiet yet undeniable reminder that this space belongs to you, and only you. Subscribe for more creative home design inspiration. Don't miss our upcoming videos on stylish living made simple. Home decor isn't a final destination, it's an ever-changing canvas. As you move through different chapters of life, your surroundings shift alongside you. A room may start minimal, then grow layered with memories. Furniture might rotate, colors might fade into new ones, and textures may soften with age. But in every transformation, the essence of a home remains: comfort, identity, and belonging. Decorating is simply the language through which we shape that essence into something visible and tangible. At its heart, home decor is about creating spaces that feel alive, spaces that not only look beautiful, but resonate deeply with the lives lived within them.